So you're looking for the best keto anti-inflammatory weekly meal plan for weight loss? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I shop and plan my keto anti-inflammatory meal plan for under $100. That's saving some money because I need to save money. And watch to the very end so you can download my exact meal plan. Well, hello, gorgeous friends. I'm Shelly with Skinny Louisiana, and in this channel, we share awesome ketogenic, low-carb, anti-inflammatory recipes, shopping tips, dining tips, and everything else in between. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you've been watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, what is wrong with you? I am ready to share all the goodies that I've purchased this week at Super One Foods and at Drug Emporium. If you've been watching our channel, you know I absolutely love Super One Foods. I always feel like they have an amazing price on items, and you all know that I am watching my budget. I'm doing a lot of Dave Ramsey. I love green beans. This entire bag was $3.18. So we're gonna air fry these this week. Celery, and we have our lettuce right here that we're gonna chop up for our salads. And I believe the celery was $1.27. This was 58 cents, so super duper cheap. Now in the plate, I have our jalapeno peppers, which I'm gonna do on a fun date night, our tomatoes. Quick note, gang, we are an anti-inflammatory clinic and kitchen. Some folks, we do pull that out of their diet, so just be careful. Same with the green beans. So what would I say do? Get your asparagus, maybe get more of your carrots instead of your peppers and your tomatoes. And then of course our avocados, these were about 58 cents a piece. Lemon always goes in our water. We use a lot of cream cheese in our clinic, and you all know by now that I am a migraine sufferer. Ooh, that sounded terrible. I have migraines. Sometimes I do have to pull lactose out of folks' diets as well as eggs. I am very blessed that I don't have to do that. So we have our cream cheese, our eggs, and then these meatballs right here. One thing about meatballs, and we love meatballs, I have a ton of recipes in our Skinny Louisiana and the Slow Cooker cookbook. Be sure to read your ingredients on your meatballs. Make sure there's no breadcrumbs or they're gluten-free. Per 3 meatballs is only 2 grams of carbs, and these are gluten-free. They don't use breadcrumb. Yay for this. This was, I believe, $3.50, so I'm gonna cook these on the stove top, add a little bit of our rayos to it, a little bit of cheese. It's gonna be fantastic. They have our big bag of cheese, which is really very cost efficient to purchase. While it doesn't seem like a lot, you're gonna be shocked how I spread it out in our menu plan. We headed on over to Drug Emporium, and by now you all know that I do amazing work with Drug Emporium. I do a lot of their classes, which of course are on halt. But I was feeling snacky and I wanted to get in and get some fun things. I always love these epic pork rinds. They are amazing. We have the Smart Sweets. I am not a bar person, but these Think Keto protein bars do have a pretty decent flavor. They are sweetened with erythritol and stevia. Yay, 2 good sweeteners, not that nasty maltitol. We have another selection of our meatballs because I wanted to give you 2 different varieties. This one's raw, the one from Super One, and this one right here, it's already cooked. This is the Beatnik organic chicken meatballs, and they are gluten-free as well. Yippee, yay. For 4 meatballs, it is 4 grams of carbs. We're gonna throw these in the slow cooker. And this almond flour right here, again, for some of my AIP folks, we would do coconut flour. I just wanna send a big shout out to a special client of mine who was shopping at Sam's. All right, gang, this is our completed meal plan. And one of the things that I always teach folks in our clinic when we are doing our meal plans, shop in your refrigerator and your pantry first. You notice I didn't have a lot of meat that I purchased this week, and that's because I have a lot of meat in our refrigerator. You see that I start Monday through Saturday and Sunday, and Saturday and Sunday are really my days that I do a lot of prep. Now, because the kids are home, work schedules are a little bit different. I encourage folks, I've always taught before, prep 2 meals a week. I'm encouraging 3 meals a week from now on. We have a lot of hungry bodies at home for lunch that maybe should be at school. You'll see that Saturday, Sunday, I was gifted deer roast by a friend, so we're gonna throw that in the slow cooker. I just add a little bit of broth to it. I have some carrots in the refrigerator, and we're gonna cook that on low for a very long time, for about 6 to 8 hours. We talked about the meatballs earlier. I'm gonna do it one of 2 ways. I'm gonna make some in the slow cooker. Is we can cook it on the stove top, add a little bit of our rayos, and add cheese on top of it. I do have a pork loin in the freezer, and I'm just gonna use that with some cabbage. Remember, leftover cabbage lasted 2 to 3 weeks. Remember those green beans? We're gonna throw those bad boys in the air fryer. My breakfast never really changes. It's the avocado tuna and something new because I got that beautiful almond flour. I'm gonna make the almond flour pancakes. We're gonna cook a little bacon so that I can have BLTs. Snack is always the same for me, except I'm gonna make some almond crackers this week. And the vegetables for the week that I'm gonna do is frozen broccoli cheese soup, of course, the green beans, and the cauliflower bake. Look at my little heart, which, let's go back. The recipe for the cauliflower bake, you can click a link on it below. So my little heart, that's date night. Those peppers, we're gonna do some poppers. I'm also gonna try to fry avocado in my air fryer. Y'all, please wish me luck. Lunch, I try to keep the same. You can see starting from the top, we have the BLT chicken tuna salad, and make sure your mayo is made with olive oil. I love Primal Kitchen. Now Thursday is hot leftovers, always breakfast at night, so that's what I fill in first. An air fryer shrimp is really fantastic. We do it a lot in here. If you follow us on Facebook, you'll see. Shop in your fridge, shop in your pantry, and you will keep the cost down. And there you have it, friends. This keto anti-inflammatory meal plan was brought to you by Super One Foods, Drug Emporium, shopping in your refrigerator and freezer, and it's under $100. And question of the day, tell me what recipe you are looking forward to preparing the most. We have amazing discussion in our comment section. You may learn something, so scroll down there below. Thanks for watching, gorgeous friends, and I'm here to bring you the best in ketogenic, low carb, and anti-inflammatory recipes, shopping tips, and meal plans. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make a little comment below, and always be sure to share it on your social channels. Bye-bye, friends. Ugh, I didn't like that. Mic test, mic test, mic test. My hair is quarantined.